Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to update Nissan Rogue navigation. Keeping your navigation system current ensures you have the latest maps and points of interest, making your journeys smoother and more accurate. We'll cover the common methods for updating your system, ensuring you always have the most reliable information at your fingertips. This process helps you avoid unexpected detours and find new destinations with ease. Let's get started on keeping your Rogue's navigation top-notch. There are a few primary ways to update your Nissan Rogue's navigation system. For many models, the map data is stored on an SD card, which you can remove and update. Alternatively, you might download update files from a dedicated website and transfer them to your vehicle using a USB drive. If you prefer, your local Nissan dealership can also perform the update for you, ensuring everything is installed correctly and efficiently. Choose the method that best suits your comfort level. To begin the update process, first identify your Nissan Rogue's specific model and the current version of its navigation system. This information is crucial for downloading the correct map files. Next, visit the official Nissan navigation portal online to purchase and download the necessary update files. Once you have the files, whether on an SD card or USB, insert it into your vehicle and follow the clear, step-by-step instructions displayed on your Rogue's infotainment screen to complete the installation. It's a straightforward process. Before you begin any navigation update, it's always a good practice to back up your existing map data if possible. This precaution can save you from potential issues. Also, ensure your Nissan Rogue's battery is fully charged or connected to a power source during the update to prevent interruptions. Updates can take some time, so patience is key. For more great deals and to check out the new Kindle Paperwhite, please see the link in the description below. Following these tips will help ensure a smooth and successful navigation update for your Nissan Rogue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.